Guys, look what happened to our park. Wait, can we stop at South Pole so we can walk?
No, you're not supposed to be.
Huh?
You're not supposed to be.
Supposed to be what?
You're not supposed to be out walking right around.
Should I stop recording so they don't see the street we're on? No, I think they care. But, yeah. So last night we had a warning of a flash flood. My uncle did not think much of it. But now there is about knee-high water, at least. Yeah, probably more than knee-high, especially to me since I'm like 4'11". I'm probably 5 foot about now. But yeah, we're pretty big puddle. Yeah, I thought it was just gonna be a sunny and warm day, but no. I mean, it technically is, but water everywhere. How's your fish and mix more? People's wars. Get go. Napa. Look at the gas prices. Quick Top. Discount tobacco. Speedway. I'm just gonna start saying, oh, Edward Jones. I'm just gonna say every shop that we pass by, or like company or whatever. Horse the Mango. Casey's, CVS, Pizza Hut, Casey's, Court UK Liquor, DQ, McDonald's. Yeah. Whoa. Look how high that water is, guys. Whoa. But yet, look at the clouds. I'm just showing them outside. It's not very floody right now. A lot of places aren't flooded, but most places are. You can see like the reflection in the grass. Look at that. Well, this isn't this is the first time I've ever had to see this, even when I'm outside. The road back there, over here, over there, still going. The puddle over here is still going. You can still see the dark spots, so it hasn't ended. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. All of this water is connected. So kind of still going. It's actually leading to my house. Guys, you're gonna be surprised how many puddles there are in my house. Look, this is my friend's house. No, it's for a YouTube video.